So today, I'm going to be talking to you about Dogecoin, the Decontico. I really didn't want to bring it up because there's a specific investment dynamic with this token. You see, if you buy in, you won't actually be able to sell it all at once. So for that very reason, I was hesitant to discuss it. But the momentum right now, it's just too strong. It has achieved a 14x increase within the last 48 hours, which is about 17 days. No, wait, that's 48 hours. It's at an 8 million market cap. That's pretty much what it is. It's a meme coin. And today, just in the last 24 hours, the present X, I'm not exactly thrilled to be discussing it because there's this momentum. And for me, where there's momentum, that's where I go. Crypto-Quebec. So for Trink, it's quite straightforward. You come right here, you click on it, you grab the ticker symbol, and then you get the contract address. And then you head over to Bullix. Bullix, right now I've got early access. There are like 1 million people who are patiently waiting to get in. If you're looking to trade on Bullix, it's super easy. The link is in the bio or at the bottom of this video. So here it is. You can grab Bullix access. It's right here, really. It's